Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a Sunday evening update on the weather for the week ahead, and of course an update on Tropical Storm Nicholas. The 10 p.m. advisory shows that Nicholas is pretty much stationary, creeping along to the north at 2 miles per hour. Strength hasn't changed much since it developed earlier this morning, as we still have maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. Now, I mentioned during the Fox broadcast that we likely would see an update in the forecast track a little bit to the south and east, and we have seen that shift. Here's a look at, again, the forecast from the Hurricane Center as well as the other various models. And you can see it is possible we could see a landfall probably east of Victoria, Texas, Tuesday morning. And then we'll see the system move very close to Houston and then weaken as it moves through central Louisiana, south of Shreveport, and it looks like it will cross over the southern sections of Toledo Bend. Now, there's still a great deal of uncertainty here, as, again, we'll probably continue to see these shifts in the forecast, and we'll talk about how much rain this could mean for us coming up in just a bit. Meantime, here's a look at what to expect for the next few days as Nicholas gets closer, as tonight looking mostly cloudy. For the most part, driest shower possible. Tomorrow we'll see a possibility for some areas of rain, especially over the southern sections of the region. Tomorrow night we'll see a cloudy sky, again a shower possible, but most of us will stay dry. And then Tuesday we'll start to see the rain increase in coverage, and you can see that increase really starting to take shape Tuesday night as basically Nicholas approaches the central Texas coast, and we'll see this area continue to spread northward into the region Tuesday night, Wednesday, and possibly Thursday as the system slowly moves to the south of the ArkLaTex. Now, wind not expected at this point to cause any widespread issues, as it'll be a good 36 hours after making landfall that we'll see the system move across the southern edge of the area. But rain could be something that we'll have to keep an eye on as we look at the, again, this is based on the earlier projections of it perhaps stalling just to our west, with it tracking a little bit perhaps further to the south. We might see this shift further to the south as well, but it's still possible, especially in these areas of yellow to orange or brown, that we could see anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of rainfall. Further to the north, an inch or two possible in Shreveport, and less than an inch across the northern sections of the area. Again, there's still some time for some adjustments to this forecast as the eventual path of Nicholas becomes more clear. Now, as far as the outlook for tonight, we're going to be looking at again, cloudy sky. Temperatures across the area will not be as cool as we've become accustomed to recently, as we'll see lows mainly in the lower 70s. And then tomorrow, I expect to see a mostly cloudy sky. Temperatures again below normal, as we'll see highs in the low to middle 80s with that chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm. And your 10-day forecast shows the rainfall chances again highest Tuesday, especially Tuesday night, Wednesday, and even into Thursday. Now, if we do see a slowdown and stall that some models indicated earlier, rainfall chances could stay rather high into next weekend. Highs this week will likely stay in the 80s with the abundant supply of clouds. Lows in the low 70s. Might see a bit of a warm-up heading into the end of the weekend and first part of next week, as what's left of Nicholas begins to move away from our area. So again, all eyes on Tropical Storm Nicholas. Not expected to pose a wind threat to our area, but the potential for some very heavy rain will begin to increase as we go into the middle and last half of the work week.